Hey crafters, it's Alex Vanover, and today I'm back in the 651VINYL studio to talk to you about one of our favorite things, grab boxes. So if you're here, you're probably wondering what a grab box is and how do you get one. So I'm going to answer both of those questions for you in this video, and we're going to take a look at an adhesive vinyl grab box. So first, let's talk about what a grab box is. A grab box is a box of either all HTV or all adhesive vinyl that contains half to full sheets of vinyl with minor flaws. So that might mean that there's some adhesive from it being on the end of the roll, there might be a crinkle or a wrinkle in it, but it's still very high quality, very usable vinyl that we can't sell as A grade. So we package it up in a box and we sell it to you at a great price so that you can still take advantage of this awesome product. Since we release limited numbers of grab boxes and we don't do them on any particular time schedule, you can't simply add your grab boxes to the cart from our website and check out like a normal product. We have a specific process that we follow, and so I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that. It all starts with a post going out in our Facebook group. That post will tell you what time that day grab boxes are going to be released, how many are going to be released of HTV, adhesive, or sometimes both, and how many of each we are going to have. So that post will open up and you can ask any questions or tag your friends and let them know that grab boxes are coming. Then at whatever time we tell you a grab box is going to be released, a brand new post will appear in our Facebook group with the link to the grab boxes. There will be a separate link for HTV and adhesive if we decide to do both grab boxes in one day. Then in order to get a grab box, you must click the link in the Facebook group and go to the product and check out as fast as you can in order to get one. Like I said, you will not find them live on our website because that's just not how we do grab boxes. Since I mentioned the competition is fierce, let's talk about some ways that you can increase your chances of getting a grab box. And the first one is to have some patience. Most people don't get grab boxes on the very first try. So go into it excited, ready to get a sale, kind of like Black Friday. Sometimes you go and stand in line for things and you hope that they're going to have one, but if they don't, it's all in good fun and it's all good. So be prepared and excited, but if you don't get one, don't be discouraged. Keep trying. The next thing that you can do to help yourself get a grab box is to follow myself and Troy Young on Facebook. So you can do that by clicking on our names and going to our profiles. Then toward the top of our profile, you'll see the option to follow on Facebook. So you want to select that option. Then in a drop-down menu, there will be an option to see first in newsfeed. You want to select see first in newsfeed so that each time that we post in a group, whether it's about grab boxes, sales, or new products, our post will rise to the top and you'll be notified. So that will help you see grab box notifications as well. This tip is the most important thing probably in this entire video. So if you take anything from this video, listen to this tip. If you really, really want a grab box, we highly suggest clicking the link from either a laptop or a computer. And the reason is because you're going to be using the Facebook mobile app to be in our group. And the Facebook mobile browser is awful. It's going to screw you up and it's going to slow you down. So if you can, access the link through a laptop or computer. But if you can't, you can also hold down on the link and copy the link in the post when the grab boxes go on sale. Then go to your browser URL and paste the link in the browser so that you can go directly to the website. Another tip to get a grab box is long before grab boxes go on sale, go into your 651VINYL account and update all of your information. Update your name, your shipping address, your credit card information in case any of that has expired, or any information that you need to check out because you want to be as fast and efficient as possible. We also recommend that you pay with a saved credit card on your account. If you try to pay with PayPal, PayPal will likely redirect you on our site, and that's going to slow you down as well. So try to pay with one of those saved credit cards. Last but not least, make sure you remember that 651VINYL always operates on Eastern Time. So anytime we release a grab box or a sale, we are always going to operate in the Eastern Time zone. So set an alarm on your phone for a few minutes before grab boxes go on sale. That way you make sure you're in the group, refreshing the page, ready to see that post as soon as it's ready, but convert it to your time zone. And after that, may the odds be ever in your favor. I hope you get a grab box and I hope you're so excited about what you find inside. This is an adhesive vinyl grab box. Right now, adhesive vinyl grab boxes are between 19 and 20 pounds, and the current cost for those is $90. If you're in the US, shipping of grab boxes is going to be free because it costs over $50. If you're interested in what the shipping cost would be to ship a grab box to Canada, you can add one to your cart and see what the cost will be in checkout. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Open your grab box very carefully so that you don't damage any of your vinyl. The adhesive vinyl grab boxes are just like the HTV grab boxes. All of them are going to vary, which might mean that half of your sheets are the same color, or every single sheet might be a different color, and you never know what you're going to get in each box. So here are a few sheets of pink Oracal 651. There's a good stack of sheets in here. I'd say maybe 20 to 25. And a random folded sheet of Oracal 651. Here are several sheets of the StarCraft chrome metals in silver. And even though it has some bends in the corner of it, it's still perfectly usable on the rest of the sheet. And don't forget, if you have any questions about what's in your grab box, you can always post in the group for help, and you can check our cut settings document on the left-hand side of our website to see what you need to cut each of these different types of vinyl with whatever machine you have. Here's a stack of some different colors. One tip for differentiating between Oracal 631 and Oracal 651 is if the finish on the vinyl is matte, it's most likely 631. Oracal 651 does have matte black and white, but you can also tell because the back of the sheets of Oracal 651 and 631 are labeled. So here's some orange 631, a good stack of those. And some more StarCraft metals. These are the chrome metals in red. These are so pretty and so fun. Some light blue. Ooh, and here's some PSV glitter. And I want to say this is called Midnight Purple, maybe. This stuff is gorgeous too. And some of the rainbow printed pattern and our fan printed pattern. These are so fun to play with if you haven't tried those yet. Grab boxes are a great thing to buy if you're newer to vinyl and you just want some things to experiment and play with, because you can play with whatever comes in your box. Here's some mint colored 651. And some light orange. This might be Sun. I think it might be Oracal 651 Sun. And some more Oracal 651. Oracal doesn't make a lot of metallic colors, but they do make a few, and they're very pretty. Here's some more PSV glitter. And some more random sheets of 651. So as you can see, for $90, this is like an amazing value. Here's one of those sheets of matte black Oracal 651. This is a ton of vinyl for $90. More StarCraft metal. And this is one of my favorite colors of Caesar PSV glitter. Ooh, and this is cool. Here's some Auramask 813, which is our stencil vinyl. So that would be really neat to play with, especially if that's not something you would normally order. There's a good stack of that in this box. And a few more solid colors of 651. Here are some really cool patterns. Here's our Galaxy pattern, which is so fun. I don't feel like people know enough about this one. And several of our polka dots, some plain red, and just some different patterns. And here's some more of the Oracal 631. So Oracal 631 is perfect for stencil material also. So if it's not something that you're planning on putting on your walls, you can totally use this on a wood sign for a stencil, and you'd have tons to play with if this was your box. Here's some more of metallic colors and plain colors. And lots of blue and white chevron. You'd be really, really excited if you were a UK fan and you got this box. And there's a few others mixed in here as well, some blue gingham and things like that. Always lots of fun. And these sheets have a fold in them, which is why they couldn't be sold as A-grade vinyl, but these will easily stick to your mat and cut just fine. Let's dump out the rest of the box here. Ooh, this is awesome, you guys. Look at all this blue grid transfer tape. This is my personal favorite transfer tape that we carry. So if you haven't tried the blue grid medium tack, you might get a chance in your adhesive vinyl grab box. So there are several sheets of that to try. And just some more mismatched pieces. Here's another couple sheets of the Starcraft metal, except this is the brushed silver, which looks so pretty, especially on tumblers underneath epoxy. And there's some white vinyl, some matte, and some glossy. I believe this is all. Some of this is white Oracal 631, and some of it is 651. But either way, it's super useful. And don't forget that you can use Oracal 631 on indoor projects as well. It's not going to be as durable, so you wouldn't want to put it on something like an outdoor sign. But for indoor projects and things, you can still use 631, even though you might normally favor 651. There's some more different colors and patterns, polka dots and gingham. More chevron. Ooh, there's even a few sheets of glitter under here. More Caesar Easy PSV glitter. This stuff is so much fun to play with. Oh gosh, here's more. And a few more colors. Let's see what's under here. I'll show you guys at the end the stack of vinyl that I have left over here. This is crazy. So lots more, like almost some rainbow colors, literally like red, orange, yellow, pink, purple. So if you got this grab box, you'd have a great ton of variety, and you never know what you're going to get out of your grab box, but the chances are the variety is going to be good because it is a really big box. So you can learn new skills and play with new colors and things if you get a box like this, because you'll have vinyl to play with. Look at that cool fan of all these colors. This is awesome. So there you have it. That's what's in an adhesive vinyl grab box. Let me show you the full stack, so you can get the full effect of what 20 pounds of adhesive vinyl looks like. Look at all this vinyl, you guys. It's crazy. So if you're interested in an adhesive vinyl grab box, there you have it. This might be what's inside, but yours could be totally different. You just never know. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing so we can hang out more often and craft all the time. I'm Alex Vanover. Let's craft again soon.